Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start with a usual analysis for gold. See what's happening in the market, starting with Forex Factory. See, so tomorrow we have ADP non-farm employment 215. So that's an important news for USD, and we got quite heavy impact news as well. Affect CAD as well, which may affect and AUD, they may affect the gold price as well. And we got 4 p.m. USD as well, and so these are the important news. And we got CAD, another CAD as well. So we got CAD, AUD, USD. Just look at the timings according to your country. I am just referring to just the UK time. Okay, now going on to the chart, see what's happening in the market. Daily, I did say yesterday that market may go up a little bit and then may come down because we have this gap here. And I'm still expecting to fill this gap, which is 32.24. The market currently came to 33.35 and went to the upside. It didn't even quite hit this level, this candle, which is 33.30. So what the market did it came to the, let me go to 4 hour. Basically, it took the swept the previous day's high and then came down. That's what I said. That can happen. And on the breaking of that, if you go smaller time frame, there's a sell trade on a break of this candle. And you could, and on the looking into the structure, you can place a sell trade here, 33.92 stop loss, and even you start trading here and 33. So 100 pips stop loss, and look the profit margin. So if I three and a half risk to reward ratio is very good. Risk to reward ratio for this trade, it already jumped back from here. So I'm expecting to come down a bit more up to 33.24. Let's see what happens. Right. Going on to 4 hour. So this is the daily. As I said, daily, it may still come back before it goes to the upside. Because we already have this daily liquidity sweep here. Here, we have liquidity sweep, and we are currently in daily, we are bullish as well. So you know that there was a breaker structure here previously, and then this area has been tested. Now we need to test this area before we move to the upside, but it hasn't been quite tested yet. But because very close, so it's maybe possible the market can go to the upside and break all time highs. So these are the levels you can look for. See, there's almost 40 pips difference. So market does sometime do that, doesn't come to the level correctly. So entered here, you still make some profit. So if you just learn how to manage the trade and when manage the risk, then you will be fine with this kind of situation. Let's go in further into smaller time frame and see what's happening. This is the uh, this is the level I was expecting the market to come, and then 322 is the level. That's another level here, which I mentioned earlier on. But anyway, let's see. Now, the level to take sell trade can be this one, and we have this level as well, where the market is currently standing at. And we can see reversal from that. That's 15 minutes. To see anything in 1 hour, yeah, in 1 hour we have this area, this level as well. And this can be another level. So let's see how the market reacts. I have a live stream as well, a chart where you can see my chart live. If you need help with the levels, I hope this is helpful and thank you very much. You have a good day, good night. Bye bye.